Two of the biggest names in note-taking. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Notion, the all-in-one powerhouse for organization and collaboration. And on the right, Roam Research, the networked thinking tool loved by idea architects. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
So before we dive in, here's a little mind map of everything we're going to compare. We've got knowledge structure, collaboration, user experience and design, flexibility and customization, automation and AI, pricing, integrations, and platform support. Basically, all the stuff that makes or breaks a note-taking app. Okay, let's kick off with knowledge structure. Notion's organization, honestly, it's next level. You get databases, folders, templates. Everything's super neat and clean. But you know what? Sometimes it feels a little too boxed in. Like, you can organize your life, but making spontaneous connections or jumping between ideas isn't its strongest suit. Roam, on the other hand, oh man, is all about letting your brain go wild. It's got this bidirectional linking thing, so you can connect thoughts from anywhere. You even get a visual graph, which honestly is perfect if you're into the whole Zettelkasten or second brain methodology. Yeah, it can feel confusing when you're new, and searching through big graphs gets messy, but still, for knowledge structure, Roam comes out ahead, especially if you love connecting dots. Next up is collaboration.
Notion absolutely slays here. Real-time editing, easy sharing. You want to manage a team, set permissions for clients. Notion's got you. The only catch: those permission settings can take some time to set up right, especially if you're managing a bunch of different folks. Now, Roam does let you collaborate on graphs, and you can comment, which is neat, but the tools, just not as beefy. If you're working solo or with a small group, it's fine. For actual team stuff, though, Notion is a clear winner.
User experience and design.
Okay, this one's kind of fun. Notion looks slick. I mean, modern, clean, works on desktop or mobile, and everything is WYSIWYG, which makes editing super easy. But I'll be real, there's almost too much going on for newcomers. It's feature-rich, and sometimes you just want less. Roam swings the other way. It's distraction-free, minimal, which I love, until you realize the UI is, not winning any beauty contests. It gets the job done, but feels kinda dated. So Notion takes this round with its style and polish. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Roam Research lets you literally see your entire graph of connected ideas? It's like peeking inside your own brain and watching thoughts linked together. I mean, if you're a visual thinker, it's hard not to geek out about that. Now, flexibility and customization. Both are pretty impressive, honestly. Notion lets you customize views, blocks, templates, you name it. Integrations galore, widgets for everything, but digging deep does take some time to master. Roam's flexibility is sneaky good. Those extensions, custom workflows, APIs, you can even get daily notes and spaced repetition going. Only thing is, you're depending a lot on third-party plugins for certain features, so honestly, I'd call this one a tie. Both let you roll up your sleeves and really make things your own. All right, let's talk automation and AI. Notion definitely flexes here. Notion AI can summarize, answer questions, and even help with brainstorms, all native right in your docs. You do need to pay for the fancier stuff, but it's smooth. Roam, well, there's API access and community-made GPT-3 extensions, which is kind of cool, but there's no official AI baked in, so automating things takes more tinkering. Notion clearly leads if you want built-in AI magic. Now, everyone's favorite topic: pricing. Notion's got that free personal plan, unlimited notes, and their paid plans are pretty reasonable. Plus, if you're a student or teacher, you get extra perks. The downside? Yep, some premium AI stuff's locked behind a paywall. Roam gives you a 31-day free trial, and even some multi-year discounts if you're a believer. But honestly, that $15 a month hits harder than Notion. And the kicker? There's no ongoing free plan. Notion wins if you're budget conscious. Integrations. Notion syncs up with, well, almost everything. Google Drive, Slack, GitHub, Typeform, you name it. Plus, there's a public API. Super powerful, but, if you want deep, custom integrations, you'll probably need some tech know-how. With Roam, there's an API, and the community has made plugins for some super niche needs, which is cool. But there are fewer official integrations, and you kinda rely on the community for the good stuff. Bottom line, Notion takes it for the plug-and-play crowd.
Last but not least, platform support. Notion's got dedicated apps: Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, web, basically wherever you work. Roam is web first, and sure, there's an experimental offline mode, but no official mobile apps, so you're stuck with the browser if you're on your phone. Offline is there, but not really polished. Notion wins for being truly cross-platform. If we map all this out, you can literally see Notion dominating in most categories, especially collaboration, design, pricing, and integrations. Roam shines brightest where wild knowledge connections are key. But for everything else, Notion really pulls ahead.
So honestly, if you want structure, teamwork, project management, and a workspace that looks as good as it works, Notion's the move. If you're more about untangling your thoughts, connecting random ideas, and living that second brain lifestyle, give Roam a try. The winner overall, well, it's Notion, but both have their quirks and that special sauce.
All right, that's the full breakdown. Give both a spin before you commit. They each have that magic. And hey, if you want more guides just like this, hit follow and stay tuned. I've got tons more tool battles coming your way.